Young rocket shit never bridges. I had a gang riding in the business. Nigga be quiet, you a itty bitty. Trip, catch front end, back end, then deal. Bad little bitch, yeah, she came out tilt. No little strap, Katy Paul like clips. Gon' get it bad and I flip it like gems. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Never stop, it's always go. Send me news when I'm on the road. Send me news when I'm on the road, baby. Watching me falling after the show, baby. Your body shake just like a cold, baby. But you already know, yeah.
I can't name no better. That's classic. Got these. I've been got these jeans. Like I said, I'm just throwing things together. If I don't have nothing to match at the moment. And I got these Nike 70 Blazers. Just found these on Nike website. They're 100. I did wanted something I could skate in and really just roll with a bunch of stuff. Cause yeah, a lot of the shoes I got, bro, they so. I ain't got no basic color shoes. Like I don't have a pair of all black shoes at all, I don't think. And yeah, still not gonna get down, but I want at least something I can wear with a bunch of stuff. So yeah, got these. I would have put on these, which I just got from the thrift store. They like some real utility pants or whatever. They was fine to me, but like I said, I just got it from the thrift store. I'm gonna wash these before I wear them. Make sure y'all do that when y'all get stuff from the thrift store too. But yeah, I got these two. Got the State Farm khakis, you know what I'm saying, the little cargo khakis. Yeah, got both of these from the thrift store. About to wash these before I wear them and show them off, so y'all can catch these probably on my Instagram page. I'll drop that. Alright, but yeah, well, I'm gonna look at this fit, you know what I'm saying, then I'm gonna go on with the day. Oh yeah, got that tote bag too. Oh, definitely. Shout out to Basquiat. Alright, next fit. Hey. Whatever baby say, big dress standing in the ocean. Boy, stop playing. Alright, so y'all see what I got going on. As y'all can see, bro, I'm really done playing with y'all, fam. Like, I don't need, y'all can see my face right now. But I'm really done playing with y'all. I've been working, you know what I'm saying? But I'm really finna get into my craft, you know what I'm saying? This clothes stuff really me or whatever. I'm hyping myself up a lot, but you know what I'm saying? That's what it is. So I'm gonna start playing with y'all. What I got here for y'all today is, when I saw these fives initially, I was like, nah. It's just another one of them ones, you know what I'm saying? They just putting out, they got some colors on it, cool. But then I kept looking at them more and more, and I started liking them, you know what I'm saying, more and more. And when I saw them in person, bro, just beautiful. I'm talking about this purple. It's like purple. I like purple a lot just because, you know what I'm saying, for me it represents red. You know, so these, it's just a real bright, sharp purple, and I like it. Then they got the little turquoise on it. I mess with it. Got the jeans from Minimal. Nothing big. I just wanted some light jeans. I need some more. Still got the, I ain't warm yet. See the tag still on it. Same with this shirt. Just got this shirt today. Got my boy Biggie on it. Y'all know vintage shirts are very in today. Pose for it. Pose for it. Pose one more time. Shout out to Biggie, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so I done had these pants for a couple weeks now. Hopefully I can see them all the way. Fire, you know what I'm saying? These pants just fire. They put a little extension at the bottom, so they're longer. Then they got the score, you know what I'm saying, stitched up right here. They just hard. It was hard to me when I ordered them, you know what I'm saying? Now I got them. I'm still trying to put a fit together with them, because when I put something together with this, I wanted to be pieced up. I wanted to be pieced up right, bro. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, scroll thing. My bad. I had to get some water or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so what's going on here? Alright, let me step back. Alright, what's going on here is I got Shamir on my titty, you know what I'm saying, on my chest. And if you don't know, that Say So Did It brand. If you don't know Say So Did It, then go type that in on all platforms. SAESO did it. Yes, she did it. Okay? Hopefully I caught that. I'ma still drop a picture in there just in case. But, you know what I'm saying? Let me show y'all everything. Yeah. So, here what I'm gonna give y'all some gems right now. And this what was told to me. And I agree with it completely. When someone asks for your support, especially when it comes to brands, you know what I'm saying? Like, I can ask for y'all support. And when I say support, it's with the YouTube channel, whatever. Go share, please. Please go like. Please go comment under my video, you know what I'm saying? All that, please subscribe to my channel. When somebody with a clothing brand, you know, says support or whatever, I can close it down. It's cool when y'all share the content, you know what I'm saying? Share their stuff. Say, okay, y'all go buy my friend's stuff, but for real, make sure y'all buy this stuff also. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's really what support means, yo. Support black businesses. If those black businesses are definitely connected to you, like them your folks, definitely support that, you know what I'm saying? So, whenever I do get money or whatever, whenever I have some money in my pocket, I go to my folks' website first and I order something. So when I say I got stuff on the way, that's what I mean too, you know. So like I said, Shamir, I got Shamir on me right now. The shirt clean, it's quality. I have 2 more. I really have 3 more of folks I got stuff. One I'm gonna just post. I'm gonna just show y'all my Instagram posts on there, and the other ones I'm gonna actually try on. So yeah, we'll get to that part right now. Don't get no, yeah, made enough for something, yeah. Hopefully I got that right. You know what I'm saying? Everybody don't get all the words right. I be seeing y'all on Instagram, so you know what I'm saying. It's Snapchat, so don't talk about me. All right, bam. Anyway, so yeah, quick little look. You know what I'm saying? What do you say? Love can save us all, you know what I'm saying? This that LEP the brand, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to my boy Beasley. Shout out to you. This his brand. I got I still, you know what I'm saying, I ain't gonna be no what's the name. Still, I ain't trying to be no hypocrite. I still gotta buy some more folk stuff. But I already talked to them, so that's on the way. Boom. Got more beads and stuff on now. If you try something else on and go with this fit. So I got y'all. Alright. So yeah. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. The skeleton. Is that love for De Niro, you know what I'm saying? My boy Beezy. So yeah, I appreciate it. I'm one of his brand ambassadors, and he stayed, you know what I'm saying? He stayed in Albany, Georgia. I stay in Birmingham. That's like 4 hours away. But Instagram really connect you with folks. So, yeah. So this 35. Somebody else stuff. Ooh, I almost forgot my boy. My bad. Don't pay attention to my sock drop. We set the top. I forgot. I almost forgot my boy Swag. My boy Swag boy. You know what I'm saying? My boy Shaka. Nope, that ain't even it. Dang, I'm always tripping. Anyway, I'm gonna just post it. I don't feel like, I don't know what my socks say. Anyway, I'm gonna post it up there. But okay, I jumped the Shaka. They come back to be. Alright, so this brand, Love for De Niro, he got the hoodies up right now on his website. So yeah, make sure y'all go check him out. Again, Love for the Sniper Game beanie. Bro, big shout out to them. Just cause ordering from artists, and I'm going through right now. It takes a lot of times it can take their stuff a long time to come. So I'm waiting on stuff right now from different artists I order from, different artist websites. But nah, Kodak stuff This sniper game beanie, you know what I'm saying? It came real fast. And the package was nice, all that. So I ordered some more stuff from there just because how fast it came. So I appreciate that or whatever. But what we got going on now, this new era, you know what I'm saying? This New York Yankees. Oh, these shoes out of I ain't wearing them. My bad. I promise y'all I clean up after these videos. Hold up. Let's move over there. Alright, so yeah. I got this today. Me personally, I don't really rock with bucket hats at all. I ain't rock with them. Let me sit down so y'all probably can see. I don't rock with bucket hats personally. I ain't really wore no bucket hat since what? 20 something. I don't know what it was, but that one year they was like really in. I had got a couple, but I didn't even wear them then. I just got them. They ain't never look right to me. But I like this one. I like the ones with the strings. It take me back to like football days, you know what I'm saying? When you got that summer camp and your coach had them on or whatever. So yeah, that's why I personally got this one. And I thought it just looked good, you know what I'm saying? It brings a different element, you know, so. Yeah, and I got these pants from thrift store. They already washed me. So yeah. The next things I got, I can just throw them up there on it. This ain't still this stuff I gotta try on. Is these scarves. I think these the last two items. Well, okay, first I got this tote. The Basquiat tote. Shout out to my boy Basquiat. If y'all don't know who John Michael or John Michael Basquiat is, make sure y'all go look him up. Black artist. Sadly he's passed, but his family or whoever is over his art, they keep coming out with his stuff. So that's cool to me. But yeah. A black artist y'all should definitely know about, John Michael Basquiat. But yeah, so I got this tote bag, first tote bag, boom, and I got these two scarves. So I honestly, 100% wholeheartedly, you know what I'm saying? Is that the backside? I cannot tell y'all what I'm gonna do with this. I just saw it and I was like, it's big, I want it. And I even said, when I got to the register, I asked, I was like, it was a girl, I was like, what can I do with this? She's like, you can wear it. I mean, nigga, duh, I can wear it, but you know what I'm saying? Like, what can I do with it? But that conversation ain't go too far. I was just like, yeah, I'm gonna get it. But yeah, so I got this. I like the colors on it. I like that. And I got this one. And I've been wanting this one. They just finally had it at the store at Urban Outfitters. I've been wanting to get more into accessories. I've been telling y'all that because it just really helps pull your fit together or whatever and put together the missing elements. So yeah. Clap your hands. That's really all I got. I think I made it through, you know what I'm saying? I made it through this cool. Tried to have some energy I really use, you know what I'm saying? I'm really happy to be back or whatever, back in front of the camera. It made me feel good, you know what I'm saying? I miss y'all or whatever. Hopefully y'all miss me too. We gonna see what these views talking about. I really can't expect nothing big because I've been out for so long. So yeah, I'm gonna drop this. I'm gonna try to tag as many folks as I can. Make sure y'all tag as many folks as y'all can, because you know what I'm saying, I try to keep it going. Next videos ahead. I don't know. I want to say it. Shopping today, when I went out today, shopping wasn't that bad. When Corona first started and you could barely get in stores, they were closing very early, or the store just might not have been open. It was very stressful or whatever, but it's kind of more easy now. I just gotta make sure I bring my mask, whatever, walk in there, and you know what I'm saying, go get what I want. It's cool. So hopefully, you know, that can keep happening. If not, like I told y'all, I ordered a lot of stuff online. It's still on the way. So stuff go keep coming in. So more try-on hauls. I want to do some more outside stuff now, so since we ain't so restricted. So yeah, I got some stuff for y'all on the way, man. So yeah, folks that still support me, I appreciate it. Boom, 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 boom. Appreciate it a lot. And yeah, I'm out.
Shit sound like water. Shit sound like the ocean. Shit sound like Nation.